Hello guys, I am Mohammed Amin Hakim. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video will speak about the 3 best affiliate marketing tips to make more money. So let's get right into the video. In the last video, I spoke about the 2 best affiliate marketing tips to make more money. First, you have to promote great products. You never ever promote low quality products because you will lose the trust of your clients and your audience. Second, you have to promote digital products because digital products have far better commission rates than physical products. In this video, I will speak about another important tip to make more money. It is the promotion of digital products with recurring commissions. In conclusion, if you want to make more money, you have to promote great digital products with recurring commissions. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.